Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can insert or add a chart or graph into your site projects on Google Sites in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, step number 1, navigate to your website project on Google Sites, and step number 2, navigate also to the page you would like to place your graph or chart. So select pages in the top right, and for the sake of this tutorial let me go with the home page here, as you can see. So after that, in the next step, navigate back to Insert and scroll all the way down till you get to charts here at the bottom. That is going to redirect you to your Google Sheets account. So make sure that you log in with the same Google account here on Google Sites as well as Google Sheets. There you go. For example, I'm in the same account here on Google Sheets, and make sure that you have your chart open here on Google Sheets. So click into Charts here on Google Sites. And after that, you'll be automatically redirected to your library of saved spreadsheets on Google Sheets so that you can select the one you'd like to go with. Let me go with that chart here. I prepared for the sake of this tutorial with these example numbers here. Click into it, select Insert here in the top right. You may, of course, select multiple and then simply, as you can see, you can select only one. So you will need to go one by one. But you can change the view from list to a grid. There you go. So let me go with this one here, confirm by clicking into Insert. And after that, confirm by clicking into the chart again, click into Add. And that is going to add the chart to your page. Now you can move it here on your page, like a section, for example. As you can see, that's the only section right now. But if your web page here featured more sections, you could simply click into that handle and change its position and move it, for example, to the bottom of the page or anywhere you like. Of course, you can customize it, you can resize it here on your section, make it smaller, you can also remove it. Yeah, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.